Most people in America aren't broke because they're lazy. They're stuck in a money system built to keep them stressed. You grind all week, your paycheck hits, and then boom. Rent, bills, debt, food, subscriptions, money gone. Then the cycle repeats again. Then that's exactly why Rich Mind Talk exists. This channel is for people tired of fake get rich quick advice and tired of living paycheck to paycheck. Here we break down real wealth, investing, money psychology, passive income, debt traps, and the habits keeping people financially stuck. So if you want to level up financially and build real freedom, subscribe to Rich Mind Talk. Now let me ask you something. What's the biggest reason most people stay broke today? Lifestyle creep, debt, or relying on one paycheck? Drop your answer in the comments. I want to hear your take because most people think making more money solves everything. But the second income goes up, their lifestyle goes up too. Better car, more shopping, bigger apartment, more monthly payment. That's lifestyle creep, and it silently destroys wealth. People look rich online while stressing about money in real life. Then credit cards make things even worse. What feels convenient today turns into years of interest payments later. Meanwhile, banks keep getting richer while workers stay stuck chasing checks. Wealthy people think differently. They don't just work for money. They build assets that make money for them. Assets pay you. Liabilities drain you. And depending on one income source today, that's dangerous. One layoff can flip your whole life upside down. That's why smart people build multiple income streams. Investments, side hustles, cash flow assets. Because real freedom starts when your money starts working for you. And trust me, once you understand this mindset shift, you'll never look at money the same way again. So if you're serious about escaping the paycheck trap and building long-term wealth, subscribe to Rich Mind Talk and start thinking like the wealthy.